toddlers are neither babies nor children, right? They are sort of in the cusp. And a toddler means to toddle, which means they are slowly walking. They're learning to walk. They're learning to toddle. So walking is the most significant mark of independence for a toddler, because previously as a baby, the baby was crawling, the baby needed to be carried by someone to go from one place to another. So what happens to this baby? Suddenly the baby doesn't need anybody to carry them anymore. They're able to walk away. They're able to walk away from the parent. They're able to walk to places. They're able to do this by themselves. So there is a huge psychological leap that happens in toddlers when they realize that they are able to walk away. And that itself, that psychological leap itself, is a mark into independence. So when toddlers begin to walk, what we really want to do is to support them to become more independent. So independence, we often think of independence as something that we push on children, right? We think we have to help children become independent, but children themselves want to become independent. What we need to do is to really recognize what independence they are asking for, what independence they are communicating for, and offer that. So let's give I can give you an example. So you're walking in the supermarket, and your toddler is walking with you. Your toddler insists that they will walk by themselves, but you are like, no, if my toddler is going to walk now, it's going to take 30 minutes for me to finish shopping. So you pick your toddler up, your toddler's crying, you do something, you distract your toddler, and then you move on, you finish your shopping quickly, and then you're done with it. Rather, what you can do is tune in to see what your toddler is communicating. Is she communicating to walk by herself? Can she walk by herself? Can she pick up a few pieces, like can she pick up the bag of atta? Can she pick up those onions? Can she pick up the fruit? Does she want to pick up the fruit? Most often she does. So really recognizing those small pieces of independence that they're asking for and offering that is how you build blocks of independence. Suddenly, you ask your 6-year-old to come set the table for the family. Why can't you make your bed? It doesn't happen. You have to layer it. When they ask for it, you offer it. You don't ever need to push independence on a child, because the child is continuously asking for this. So when you recognize, you tune in, you're able to offer.